Today I'm going to show you how to easily remove or uninstall any installed application on your Android device. So it's quite easy. So basically you need to go settings, and there's a various ways, but I'm going to use a very easy way for you to understand. Go to settings and try to find called app. Okay, then here are all the applications which you already installed. So the good thing is of this, by this way we are installing, there's a lot of way that you can on the Android screen itself, in the screen itself you can click and there's an option called uninstall, but we can see only you cannot see all the applications sometimes, because some applications are sitting on other pages, right? So but from this way, if you go to settings and app, you can find all the applications which you already installed. Right, now how to install it? So simply find the application you go to install. For example, alright, I'm going to install this one. It's kind of high capacity, 87 megabyte. Click on it and click on install and click OK. Installation is in progress. Take sometimes depending on the application capacity. Fine, let's go on. And again, that's the application which like a third-party application, right? But if you want to deactivate some system applications, such as let me show you. I don't know, for example, the game launcher, I already disabled that one. So basically it's like that. When you first come to there, you will see the game launcher, for example, and you can click here the last three dots and you can click on uninstall update. So whatever is updates were there, it will be automatically uninstalled, and later on you can click on disable application. So this application no longer active and it will no longer take the updates from the Android store. Okay, so I'll leave it as it is. So that's it, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you.